What's up YouTube? Seth here from How To Knots for another knot tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to tie the Lobster Buoy Hitch, which is ABOK number 58 in our Ashley's Book of Knots series. This knot is really easy to tie, so let's get right into the tutorial. The Lobster Buoy Hitch is used when you need to connect a hitch knot to your buoy. So basically you're just tying a knot to the bottom of your buoy. Let's show you how to tie it. We're going to start with our line. We're going to go around our anchor point here. What we're going to do is we're going to make our first hitch down the line here. So I'm going to go over, underneath here. For my second hitch, I'm going to go above, so I'm going to make the hitch above the first hitch. I'm going to cross under this line, okay? I'm going to go back through this hole here, and then I'm going to come underneath this right here, okay? See that? And then it looks like a bail sling hitch almost on our line here, and I'm going to pull that tight. And that is a Lobster Buoy Hitch. What this does is our second hitch, which is above the first one, is what's going to take all that tension. So think about it. We have our standing end here, hopefully tied to the bottom, cement block, something to hold the bottom, and then the buoy is on the top of the water. So all this tension is going to be placed on this second hitch here, which has the working end in it. So think about it. The buoy's in the water, it's floating. It has all of this tension on this working end, which can't slip out. So let's take the two half hitches for example. I'm going to tie the two half hitches here. So I'm going to go make my first hitch, work down the line, and make my second hitch. Make my first hitch, work down the line, and take my second hitch here. Okay? Two half hitches. And then I'm going to tighten that around my anchor point. All of the tension is on that first hitch. Even though I make it tight, that second hitch is kind of loose. You can tighten it, of course, but in the water, loosen, loosen, loosen. Think about it, a long time it loosens and this one comes undone. Then you're stuck with a single hitch, and then how reliable can that be, right? Might come undone. The Lobster Buoy Hitch is so good because you make that first hitch, the second hitch comes underneath here, working end here, comes through here, okay? And then we tighten. So that tension is on that first hitch and the working end, which shouldn't come undone in the water because that tension from the buoy and the cement block at the bottom is tightening on that second hitch, which is why the Lobster Buoy Hitch was used to tie lobster buoys in the water and why it's a great option for you. So if you like this tutorial, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more knot content. Follow us on this Ashley Book of Knots series, link in the bio. Check out the book. All affiliate proceeds support our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.